We are fourth-generation organic dairy and crop farmers in the rolling hills of northern Pennsylvania. It's in the very rural part of PA. And so we have around 25 of our family members who work and run the farm together. We produce most of the feed for our cows from our land, and we milk around 400 cows. New Holland to us is really, it's a love because Pennsylvania based, right, for farmers so that we can make sure we get our jobs done. I got to meet Sally Johnson and some of the other team members at New Holland. She came to the dinner table at our farm. She got to meet my grandma, to meet my dad, all of my cousins and siblings who rely on our farm to keep going and want it to continue for generations. The New Holland equipment is amazing on our farm. We always use the skid steers. We currently have 6 of them as dairy farmers and crop farmer, having that diversity to be able to use it whenever. We also use the hay bind. We have the large square. It's a great reliable product that makes really tight bales because we have some heavy hay up in that area. The importance of the partnership between New Holland and Painterland Sisters and our farm, Painterland Farms, is so important because it's about sustaining our future generations of dairy farmers in a very symbiotic relationship because we can fuel each other. We realize there's a huge issue we need to solve in the Northeast, particularly, which is to find a place where this raw milk can go so farmers can continue to farm there and can get better prices. We just wanted to sustain our family's farm. I wanted my kids to grow up on it. I wanted to come back and see those cows and see our family working together. So we came up with the idea to sustain that farm and to take our destiny into our own hands, right? Our company, it's my sister and I who started it. It's a value-added product where we take our family's milk and other milk in the northern PA and New York areas and turn it into Icelandic style yogurt that we sell nationwide. We're in almost 2,000 stores. We're able to offer 6 yummy flavors and 2 larger containers to people all across the country that we make using our cow's milk in northern PA that we produce in Pennsylvania and ship out of PA. We want to provide the best for the consumers, and we want to pay the farmers the best price we possibly can so that they can keep thriving and farming like they have done for generations. Farmers being able to represent their products at the grocery stores isn't really common anymore. 90% of the food you see at the grocery store shelves here in the US is owned by only 10 companies. And so to have farmer representation from the soils that the farmers make directly to the stores is unheard of. And so we're coming in, we're a farmer-owned brand, we're proud of it. We're able to connect in a way that other companies can't do. And then additionally, we're women-owned, we're certified. If you find your mission and then do everything you can to get there, right? It's not about having the dream of having a yogurt company. It was about having a dream of sustaining my farm. I've always thought I was going to be a part of the farm, right? I could never imagine my life without it. And if you're really mission aligned with something, it doesn't matter how hard it's going to get. And trust me, it's going to get hard. It'll be worth it because you're chasing that mission. Sally told me her mission and the mission of New Holland, which is similar to ours, and it's to sustain, our way of life for future generations and to sustain that type of farming. And I loved New Holland before that because of the reliability in that home, especially with those skid steers and those other equipment. But now I love them even more.